Welcome to this comprehensive guide on pronunciation. In this series, we'll explore learning strategies to help you improve your accent and clarity in English. Clear pronunciation is essential for effective communication, and with the right techniques and consistent practice, you can significantly enhance your speaking skills. Let's understand why pronunciation is so important. First, clear speech helps listeners understand you easily. When you pronounce words correctly, people can follow what you're saying without asking you to repeat yourself. Second, confidence grows when you speak with clarity. When you know you're speaking clearly, you feel more confident in conversations and presentations. Third, proper accent improves communication globally. Whether you're speaking with native speakers or non-native speakers, good pronunciation makes you easier to understand and helps you build stronger connections. To improve your pronunciation, you need to understand how sounds are represented using the phonetic alphabet. The / symbols contain sound representations. Vowel sounds like /I/ represent sounds in words like cat and bat. Consonant sounds like / and G/ appear in words like ring and sing. Stress markers, shown as // indicate which part of a word to emphasize, like the emphasis on happy. These symbols help us identify exactly which sounds we need to practice. Your mouth position is crucial for producing correct sounds. For smile position, you raise the corners of your mouth as if smiling. This position helps you produce sounds like /E/ and /I/. For round position, you purse your lips as if pronouncing the letter O and pull your tongue back. This position creates sounds like /U/ and /A/. Paying attention to where your mouth is positioned while speaking will help you achieve clearer pronunciation. Certain sounds are challenging for many English learners. The first group includes /th/ and /th/ sounds in words like think, this, and thank. To produce these sounds, place your tongue between your teeth and let air flow around it. The second group is /R/ and /L/ sounds in words like red, light, and right. For the R sound, keep your tongue tip up and slightly pulled back. These sounds require specific mouth and tongue positions, so practice them regularly. Word stress is about which syllable you emphasize in a word. For two-syllable nouns like table, window, and picture, stress the first syllable. Say table with emphasis on the first part. For two-syllable verbs like begin, decide, and forget, stress the second syllable. Say begin with emphasis on the second part. Understanding these patterns helps you sound more natural and helps listeners understand you better. Rhythm and intonation refer to how sentences sound. Content words, like nouns and verbs that carry important meaning, should be pronounced loudly and clearly. Function words like the and a are less stressed. Intonation is the musical movement of your voice. For yes or no questions, your voice rises at the end. For statements, your voice falls at the end. These patterns create the natural flow of English speech. Now let's explore 3 essential techniques to improve your pronunciation. First, record yourself speaking and compare your speech with native speakers. This helps you identify areas for improvement. Second, practice active listening by watching movies, podcasts, and educational videos. Listen carefully to how native speakers pronounce words and speak naturally. Third, use the mirror and repeat technique. Watch your mouth movements in a mirror and imitate native speakers. Practice stress patterns and intonation. Consistent practice with these techniques will help you develop clear and natural-sounding pronunciation over time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.